a stunning hotel on TikTok and figured I definitely have to go here, especially as I haven't been to Sweden at all. So I spent my weekend at the Jacy'z Hotel and Spa in Sweden. My first impression when I walked in was the number of people at the lobby waiting to check in. It was quite overwhelming, if we're being honest.
Get to know inside. So if you take one of the cards, you just click it here, and then you choose your floor. Yeah. So the screen will assign another way for you. So you have other.
So I'm just gonna give you a room tour of what the Jazy'Z Hotel looks like. So our first stop would be the bathroom. So I've had a look already, and I really think that the taps have a lot of lime scale, as you can see. So they're not doing a very good job cleaning and maintaining it. We've got this shaving mirror, so they're trying to go for like a gold theme all the way. And they have the bathroom over here, which, like the sink, also has like lime scale all over it. It's supposed to be giving you like rustic vibe and whatnot, but it's too much lime scale. I saw on TikTok where they said that the bathroom is small, but to be fair, it's not that small. The fridge over here. I'm sure the bar is paid, unlike the Gibraltar one. We've also got a wine glass here, wine bottles, another mirror over here with just some little details on the wall. So I expected a wardrobe, but the only thing we've got is that and that. It is so small. And to think we got the medium room and not the small room. Well, this is what the wardrobe, quote and unquote, looks like. We've got the robe for the spa access. Actually, we've got a spa access now, and a pair of flip-flops over here. And then I think there's something like another wardrobe over there. This is the bed. The room is so small, but this is what the bed looks like. And because we went for the room with a window, because there's some rooms without window, we're on the 16th floor. We've got this view, and I think it's already coming to sunset. So we've got this view. I'll just go back and show you guys again what the window looks like. It's like a very wide window. So we've got this view, which, to be fair, looks like I'm just gonna walk into it and fall off. But no, I'm not falling off. Now we've also got the something like a living room. I guess that's what makes it not a medium room. We've got something like a living room access and the TV on this side. They've got little details like that, and this light, I don't know how to turn it on yet. So the entirety of the room is this area, that's up over there, and this area. For now, I think for the medium room, I think the room is really small. Not that I want like a large room, but I think it's really small. But I guess the spa is the main thing, not the room. So hopefully when we go down to the spa, we're not disappointed. You guys will tell me if you're disappointed, right? Hopefully, fingers crossed, the spa is not disappointing. It's a very long walkway. Ours is room 127. It's a long walkway. We're headed to the spa now. They have this really nice paintings on like the corridors. This is another one. This is another one. I think I really like that one over there. So now we're going to the spa, the popular spa. 27 JQ rooms, and we just have to cook the floor and then wait for this to pop up. So it shows us that we're going to be, and then this pops up. We just need to wait for the elevator, because all the elevators go to different places. Now we're going to the spa. And the elevator has a very dark, I think gold, but it's quite dark and rustic, and I don't know. Going into the spa region, they've got different aspects. They've got a fire room, which people just sit lounging. It's quite warm. You can have your drinks in here. They've also got like treatment rooms where you can have a massage, and other spaces where you can do tiny little bits. We didn't go into the sauna today, but we're going into the indoor pool region. We're in the spa region, and it's not as full as I expected it to be, but I'm fully dressed right now, as you can see. So we'll just go grab food. Everyone has a time slot automatically allocated to them when they book the room. So we were booked for the 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. slot. To be honest, I don't think this is enough time to fully enjoy the spa. You're given the option to buy more spa slots, which I can't really remember, but I think it's about £25 more. But that's if you want. Throughout your stay, you can go into the pool, the sauna at your allocated time, after which you can't go in there anymore. I didn't try out the sauna because we all know I am not a sauna fan. I don't like heat. I really found staying in the fire room quite relaxing because it was quiet, people were minding about their business, and I had my drinks. Now, this hotel has 3 different restaurants. The one on the ground floor is where breakfast is served, and you can also find another restaurant on like the 26th floor and one more restaurant somewhere around I probably did not get to. The most amusing part for me was this workspace. The lady we met at this region said you have to pay about $500 a month to be able to use this workspace. So I'm guessing lots of people come in here, especially people who are remote workers, to just use the facilities. The space is big. They've got booths where you can take your phone calls if you don't want to be interrupted. She let us in here because I said I was filming. I don't think guests would generally be let in here just to use it unless you pay the $500. Finally, for the breakfast, I really think they had a good breakfast variety. I especially liked the overnight oats and potatoes. It was so nice. Overall, for Jazy'Z, I think there were too many people there, but that's what you expect when you go to a viral hotel. I also think they do not have enough staff for the number of guests they do have. Overall, it was quite a good weekend getaway at Jazy'Z, and you should probably try it.